How's it going, everyone? My name's John. I'm with Patrick Dealer Group. Behind me is the all-new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Let's take it for a ride and go talk about it. Alrighty, everyone. So welcome to the new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. All new for 2024. Total ground up, rebuild. Everything about this car, brand spanking new, feels like it's from the future. Makes the old car feel 10 years old. Under the hood, we've got a 2.5 liter inline 4 turbo, made it to an 8-speed dual clutch transmission. Dual clutch being the important part here. This thing shifts like butter. All new cars are going to be coming out with these dual clutch transmissions. It's been in a lot more powerful cars in years past. Now they've made it into everyday family cars, and they are just phenomenal. You won't even know that you're shifting gears. It's that good. So completely new interior. Everything about this car is completely new. I'm going to repeat myself a lot with that. But we've got two 12.3-inch screens here. The instrument cluster, completely screen-free, no dials. It's got everything you need, and nice simple design. Not a bunch of graphics in your face, not a bunch of stuff moving around. Just what information you need right there. Easy to read, easy to follow. And then for the infotainment system, we've got a great screen here, great new infotainment system. The lag is non-existent. You can scroll through whatever you need, find all your stuff. Works absolutely fantastically. And we have built-in nav is optional, or you can connect it via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Down here in the center console, one of the cool things, you can have phone holders, or you can have it optioned as one wireless charger, or you can have two wireless chargers. There are a ton of USB-C ports all over this car. You got two up here, you got two more down under this central bridge here, and then you got 4 in the back. This particular car that I'm driving today is one of the first ones that we're getting, so it's not the most heavily optioned car, but these are available with a massive panoramic sunroof as well. Great view for the kids in the back seat. Another cool thing in here, you got this massive center console here, but it's also easy accessible for the kids because it has another latch in the back, so they can get in, get their stuff without bothering you, making you do it all the time. A couple of other cool little interior features that I like. This new steering wheel, nice thick rim on it. Really gives you a good grip going down the road. Not too big of a steering wheel, just the right size for the car. And in the middle here, you'll notice there's no Hyundai H logo. Now there's just this silver bar with 4 dots on it. That actually is Morse code for H, which I think is pretty cool. Something that you wouldn't know until you see it, and then you go, pretty cool. Also on the steering wheel, you've got all of your cruise control. This car can have adaptive cruise control. It's got lane departure warnings, frontal collision warnings, all of your safety features that you need. And then on the right side, you've got all of your multimedia, so phone, Bluetooth, voice activation, radio controls, all that stuff. Everything you expect. And you got paddle shifters. Pretty cool for playing around when you're feeling a little bit sporty. Another nice thing we got is the heating and air controls, as well as your driver controls. For your driving modes. These are all on a brand new panel. They are all touch sensitive buttons, so they'll light up and tell you what you have on, what you have off, and when you do have them off, they're not going to be showing big symbols and stuff everywhere. It gives it a nice clean finish, and being able to have those traditional heating and air controls makes it a lot quicker, a lot easier than digging through screens to try to turn on your heated seats, for example. Speaking of those driving modes, you're always going to start off in normal mode, and then you have the option of snow mode for those Chicago winters. You got My Drive, which is a configurable mode where you can change certain features depending on how you like your ride, throttle response, things like that. And then your Sport mode, which is automatically going to give you better throttle response and tighten up the transmission a little bit, so you get a little bit faster shifts, and as well as it will know when you're kind of feeling sporty, it'll hold gears longer, keep you in the power band, make sure you can merge onto the highway as fast as you want. And those are some of my favorite features on the new 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe. Thank you guys for watching, and we're going to keep getting more and more of these in every day, so come on out, check out our inventory, and I'll see you guys later. I'm going to keep driving.